Hey, what's up, you guys? Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. It's been a minute since we did a good old-fashioned taking stuff out of bags video, and I just received this order from Shop Miss A yesterday, and I was not planning on doing a video on it. But then I was like opening it up and like looking at all the stuff, and I was like, for the sake of the algorithm and some content or whatever, I'll just like shoot a video. So that's why we are here today. This is nothing exciting. There is like a lot of different things. No, there's actually not even a lot of different things. Basically, I placed this order because I have been, I go to the music festivals and I have taken on a rabbit hole hobby of making beaded bracelets, or what they call candy, in the festival world. I have jumped in headfirst. I have a ton of beads and I have been searching for storage solutions for it. And that's kind of how we ended up here, because I have purchased these little like rolling storage carts and I needed bins to put in the carts. Shop Miss A has stackable, collapsible storage bins that are only pennies compared to what you would pay on Amazon. They had their multi-times a year sale where everything was 11% off and you only paid $1 in shipping if you bought like $11 worth of stuff. Yeah, I placed an order, basically. I got it right here. It's a big bag because, like I said, I got some crates. But we're just, gonna have a good time and look at all the stuff that I got. And again, this is like nothing severely interesting, but if you're a Shop Miss A fan, you can see what they got. The first thing I'm going to show ya is this really cute little cotton drawstring bag. This is from their Pawpaw collection, and I love buying the Pawpaw items because percentage goes to the Stop Animal Cruelty charity. This is just a nice little cotton bag. It's a drawstring. I bought this, speaking of the candy. So at the next festival that we go to, I'm going to put all of the bracelets inside this bag. And then when I meet people, I can say, hey, take a bracelet. They can reach in, get surprised. People love it. I did it at this last one where since it was over the Easter weekend, we put a bunch of bracelets and charms and stuff into eggs, and then I had a bag where people like reached in and got an egg, and it was super fun. Everybody loved it. This little bag, can't remember. Let me pull up the list. I only paid 85 cents for this. My list is with all the discounts and stuff, and it's all grouped together. So I paid 85 cents for this, and it's really, really cute. Nice quality soft cotton. So look how cute. Who doesn't love a little pink kitty? All right, the next thing is, I mentioned this in one of my makeup videos. I went ahead and bought a nano brow pencil. They actually raised the prices on these. And again, I think they're like rebranding some of their things. This used to only be $1 and I used to really love them. This was actually $2.67 for me. So with that discount, it looks like, yeah, it was like $3. I'm going to give it a try because they don't have the exact one that I used to use. But like I said, I'm going through the Merit pencils like super, super fast and I need like a cheaper alternative. And I used to really like the AOA. This is now A20 Lab. Again, I think they're rebranding. $3 is better than $22, even though I love that Merit pencil, but I'm going to give this a shot. This was in there. Also, another beauty product. I actually purchased this for a friend of mine. Have mine, and I really, really like it. And we were talking about hair at work the other day, and I mentioned this. And so I just threw it in there because I was getting the 11% off. This is the Hair Tamer wand, and they actually have scents. This one is vanilla. This only cost $1.68. It looks like it's originally $1.88, but with the 11% off. This is just like a really nice little hair wand. It's kind of like a mascara thing. And when you like pull your hair back or up or anything, you can just take the wand and kind of like brush away the flyaways. It's not like super, super hold, so it doesn't get like crunchy or anything. But when you have like fine hair, it's just enough to like, slick them back a little bit, or like underneath if you want to like push them up. So I got this for her. It's like a pretty good buy. The next thing, these were actually on sale for 50% off, so I got them for 50 cents. But it is my birthday coming up. And it's a big 4-5 birthday. When I make a cake, These are little rose gold candles, and yeah, I thought they'd be super cute and threw them in because they were only 50 cents, and that is about 50 cents less than the ones I can get at the grocery store. So yeah, these are just two little rose gold birthday candles for my cake. Yeah, can't wait to turn this number. It's happening next month. I think it's next month by the time you see this video. It's in June, okay? These are two little mini cutters. You know these come in handy like all of the time. So I paid 89 cents for each of these. They're originally $1, but I got just a green one to put in the kitchen, you know, not too girly for hubs to use. But then I got myself this little bunny one, and it is super cute. I mean, look at that. These always come in handy, and yeah, I can use them. The next thing I got came actually wrapped, but I've unwrapped them. Again, talking about the music festival thing, there is this like trend of on, you know, social media and everything of decorating sunglasses. So finding like little charms and beads and stuff, and then hot gluing or epoxying them onto around the sunglasses, and then wearing these highly decorated sunglasses. I actually follow a shop, and I met the owner of it at this last music festival called Spun Glasses, where she does wire art around the sunglasses and then sells them at the festival. Super cute. I just bought like a cheap pair of sunglasses so that maybe I could just try my own. This is like strictly just to play, because these were only what, $1.68? They're just a large pair of pink and brown sunglasses, and I made sure I got like a large frame so that I could have some room to like put some embellishments on it. I actually really like these though. They're pretty cute for $1.68. They're super lightweight, which is nice because once you put stuff on them, they won't be like too heavy. I really like the color, and I like the shape. I like the fade. $1.68, I mean, you know. And now I'm going to open one of the little mini cutters because we're getting into the last like two things that I got here, and I think they're shrink wrapped, and I might as well just use my cutter. Oh my God, so adorable. Okay, organization here. I did get two. These are actually called skincare stands. So I got two of them, and it's saying that I paid $3.16 for them. So they were $1 something a piece. But these are kind of like little, oh look, they have like a hole. I guess you could hang them if you want. These are supposed to be to like store your masks and stuff, but I thought these would just be a really cute little storage solution for the cart that I'm getting. And I can put like the tools or, you know, spools of stuff or like larger items or something in here. So I got two of them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, kind of 5 slots in here. It's like a cute little storage solution. You know, you can put like just, you know, like stuff like that. But I thought for like around $1, these were like kind of cute, and I got the clear, so not too shabby. Then the last things that I got, they're kind of the same thing. I just got like 2 different sizes. So I got the medium and I got the small. These are plastic crates that collapse, and then they can also stack. Let's go ahead and open one of these and see what they look like. This is the medium. I got them in the color beige. I got 3 and it cost me $5.04. So looks like they're $1.88 a piece, and then I got the 11% off. A little less than $2 a piece. So I took the plastic off. Okay, so they open like that, and then you open the sides, and then there's like Tetris strategic brain stuff happening. Oh, okay, they just click in like this. Got it. So yeah, that's really cute. And again, I got this to put like just more of my bead storage. Really, I say bead storage. We also opened up like a little Etsy shop because I have a friend that has a 3D printer. And so I have like a bunch of like little bags and envelopes and stuff to like mail them out, and like stickers and things. So it's just really all storage. I'm going to open up another one real quick and then see how they stack. Okay, so here's another one. And they have little kind of like feet or whatever on there. And then, yeah, So they just stack super nice. So I got 3 of the beige ones, and then I got 4 of the little ones. I guess they're $1 normally. So I got 2 pink and 2 white. That's just gonna be to stack some more stuff. I'm wondering, they probably don't, oh, actually, I don't know. It looks like they might actually fit on there. I don't think they're supposed to be like that, but that is like my little Shop Miss A haul here. I hope this was like a good time. Sorry for the short video. I am on my way to work, so I just wanted to get this out of the way. We got the birthday candles, we got the hair wand, we got the brow pencil, we got the 2 little cutters here, the sunglasses, and then I got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 storage bins, and then the 2 skincare bins. And I paid a total of $26.90 for the whole thing, and that included the Shop Miss A like protection, like shipping thing or whatever. Not too much of a low buy here for 2025, but I did get some stuff that I can use, and the storage organization is like super important to me. So I'm not going to have any of this stuff linked below. You can go to the Shop Miss A site yourself. Comment down below, tell me all about it. Tell me what your favorite Shop Miss A item is, or if you've never tried them, or if you want to try them, because it's a pretty cool little place to go. That's all I have for you today, guys. If you could please like this video, it really helps me out. If you could comment down below, just like I asked you to, that would be like super awesome. And if you could subscribe, because it would be really cool if you could subscribe. Hit that button and hang out with me some more. Is this a good example of what we do here? I love you guys so, so much. I will see you on the next one.